Welcome to Couchbase Cloud, the database as a service that provides NoSQL with no equal. I'll walk you through the basic steps to get your free trial account going. Let's get started. Signing up for a free trial only takes a couple of minutes. Be sure to use your corporate email address in the sign-up process. Next, provide an organization name, then click Create Organization. You'll need to verify your email address to complete the account process. You will receive an email from cloud@cloud.couchbase.com. Click Verify Your Email to confirm your address. Once your email is verified, you can log into the Couchbase Cloud control plane. To take advantage of the free trial, simply click the Start Trial button. If you're starting a sales-assisted account and have an activation ID, click the Add Your Activation ID link and enter your activation code. After clicking Start Trial, the Get Started flyout screen appears. Step 1 is to set up your cloud. A cloud in Couchbase Cloud is a virtual private cloud environment within your own cloud account. It is equivalent to a VPC or VNet within a CSP. Select your cloud provider, desired region, and give your cloud a name. For the CIDR block, accept the default, then click Connect Cloud. Your cloud service provider's web console will open in a new browser tab. Log into your CSP, verify the deployment template, and check the I acknowledge checkbox. Then initiate the deployment. Once a connection is established between Couchbase Cloud and your cloud service provider, we check your account for proper permissions and quotas, then proceed with the deployment. When the deployment is complete, the connection status will show connected. Once you're connected to your cloud, step 2 is to create a project and cluster. Scroll down the Get Started flyout screen to step 2. Enter a project name and a cluster name, then click Create Project and Cluster. The cluster sizing screen allows you to select a pre-configured template that is optimized for your deployment goals. For the trial account, only the 30-day Quick Start trial template is available. To unlock the other templates or set custom configurations, click Enter an Activation ID to request an activation code. Under Deployment Configuration, select the Medium configuration to enable all Couchbase services, then click Next. Review your configurations, then scroll down the page to select your support plan. For the trial account, only the 30-day trial support plan is available. To unlock the other support plans, click on the desired plan to request an activation code. Click Deploy. After your cluster is deployed, the cluster endpoint is displayed. This is the endpoint URL for connecting from your applications and BI tools. Now let's import some data to your new cluster. Click Cluster in the side navigation, then in the Cluster Tool menu, select Import. Under Load Your Data, you can import your own data in JSON or CSV format. Under Sample Data, click the Import buttons to import the 3 sample data buckets to your cluster. These sample databases give you an immediate sandbox to learn how to query and work with the data, and they are used by most of our sample applications. Couchbase Cloud is a secure environment. Only a special type of database user account is allowed to query and work directly with data. To enable data querying for your own user ID, add a database user to your user profile. Click Users in the side navigation, then click on your username. The User Properties flyout appears. Under Database Users, click Add Another. Select your cluster, then provide a database username and password. Leave the Choose Buckets field blank and check Read Write. This will enable read and write privileges on any and all buckets. Next, click Save. To enable connecting to your cluster from applications and BI tools, you must first add your IP address as an allowed IP address. Click Clusters in the side navigation, then click on your cluster. The Connections tab for your cluster displays the connection properties. Click the Allowed IPs button to display the Allowed IPs flyout. Under Allow an IP, enter your IP address, uncheck the Save as Temporary checkbox, click Add IP, then click Save. Existing Couchbase customers can easily bring their data into Couchbase Cloud. In the side navigation, click Projects. Then, click on your project name to display the project properties flyout. Click View Project to display the project details. Then click the Connect Self-Managed Cluster button. In the Add Self-Managed Cluster flyout, provide the name of the remote cluster and hostname, a valid username and password, and a public IP. Click Submit to initiate the connection. We're listening to your feedback. Click on the feedback link in the side navigation to tell us what you like and what else you would like to see in the product. Online docs are available to help you learn more and jumpstart your app development. To access Couchbase Cloud documentation, SDKs, and sample apps, click Documentation in the side navigation. We hope you enjoy your free trial of Couchbase Cloud. Thanks from the entire cloud team at Couchbase.